Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer everything from your old iPhone to your new iPhone without iCloud and completely free. Let's go. Alright, so this is the method that I've been using for many years to transfer everything from my old iPhones to the new iPhones that I upgrade to, and it is without using iCloud, and it is also completely free, and it is the fastest way to transfer everything over in my opinion. Alright, let's begin. So first thing you're going to need is a PC or Mac with iTunes installed. You're going to need your old iPhone where you have all of your information saved, and we're going to go ahead and plug the old iPhone into the computer. So I'm plugging it in right there. Once you plug it in onto your computer, you're going to get a message. You can go ahead and cancel out of that. Go ahead and open up iTunes. Okay, you're going to select on the little iPhone icon up here. Okay, you're probably going to have to wait till it finishes backing up because it's going to automatically sync and back up to your computer. There you go, it is done. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over here to where the iPhone is. We're going to go to summary, and then here we're going to go down here to where it says backups automatically back up. We're going to select this computer. It just showed it was backing it up, but to confirm and make sure that we do back everything up, we're going to select here where it says manually backup and restore. So here we're going to select right here where it says backup now, and make sure that this section right here has this computer selected instead of iCloud. So this computer, backup now, click it, give it a few seconds, maybe a few minutes until it is completely done backing up. And there you go. That was pretty quick, since every time I do connect my iPhone, it automatically backs up to iTunes. So once it is done, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the old iPhone. Let's go ahead and grab the new one and connect it to iTunes, to the PC or Mac. iTunes is going to read it, give it a few seconds, just cancel out of this. All right, wait till it's done backing up because it's probably going to try and sync and back up as well. All right, so once it is done, like I just finished, we're going to go ahead and click on the iPhone. We're going to go to summary right here. And then now this time, we're going to select restore backup. So make sure that this computer is selected and hit restore backup. And it's going to ask us here to look for the backup that we want to install onto the new iPhone. So the one we're going to use is the backup from the old iPhone, which I have it labeled as test iPhone. So I'm going to select right here, test iPhone, backed up today, 9/37, and we're going to select restore. So make sure you have the right iPhone name selected. You can always check that by going into settings, general, about, and that is the name of your iPhone. So this is test iPhone 2. And this one is test iPhone 1. So that's why. Make sure you have the right one selected right here, and then hit restore. And then this is going to take a few minutes depending on how much info you have backed up. So just wait till it's done, and your new iPhone will have all of the information restored onto there. So once you see this loading bar, just wait till it gets all the way to the end, and then the process should be complete. And there we go. Process is complete. So now we'll just have to go through the setup here. It says restore completed. Go ahead and hit continue. You can set this up later if you want. You don't have to do it now. So I'm just going to skip all this. Don't use passcode. Continue, 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 continue. Swipe up. And we are at the home screen. So let's just go ahead and get the old iPhone and put them side by side. All right, so let's go ahead into photos and see if all of the photos are on here. So as you can see, there are all of the photos on here, although the order is different since this is a newer iPhone, but they are on here. Let's go to contacts, and contacts are on here as well. Let's go to messages. Yep, they are there as well. And you can even see that the apps were transferred over as well. So we didn't have any third-party apps installed yet, and now we do. All right, everyone, so that is how you transfer everything from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. This is the simplest way to do it, and it's completely free. All right, so hope this helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.